Well, we're going to take summer wind out and go to Redrock and fly the drone around and have a nice day. So the clouds are moving in, but looks calm out there. See you out there. Well, here I am at Redrock. We're doing a video with the drone. Just flew around there. Seagulls weren't too impressed, but there they are. Anyways, we'll show you what it looks like.
The Redrock Light Tower is a distinctive combined lighthouse and dwelling that consists of a 3-story elliptical concrete structure and a red-painted, steel-encrusted base. The lantern sits in the center of the flat roof, which is encircled by a metal railing and set under a large steel helipad. The light tower stands on a small wave-swept rock surrounded by the open waters of Georgian Bay. The designation is confined to the footprint of the building. The Redrock Light Tower is a very good illustration of the theme of aids to navigation in Canadian inland waters at a time of rapid economic development in the Great Lakes area. The lighthouse was constructed in 1911 to solve the engineered problems inherent to the wave-swept conditions of the site, for which the 2 previous wooden structures proved inadequate. The lighthouse serves as a coastal light and is part of a network of lights that guide maritime traffic to Parry Sound. It is associated with 2 keepers who maintained the light for many years and were important figures in the folklore of the community: Adam Brown, from 1898 to 1937, and Lawrence Tyler, from 1938 to 1960. Life on Redrock wasn't always tranquil. Occasionally, Adam was called upon to help with rescues. When the Seattle went down in 1913 just off Green Island in the nearby Minck's chain, Adam took his boat to the site and helped survivors off the stranded wreck. Adam Brown is best known for his light-keeping duties for 40 years at Redrock from 1897 to 1937 and simultaneously at Snug Harbor for 6 or 7 years starting in 1908. He eventually became the general supervisor of the Parry Sound shipping channel. Redrock Light is perched on a magnificent chunk of rounded granite exposed to the full force of Georgian Bay storms, during which, at times, waves can be seen breaking over the top of the lighthouse at 50 feet. Adam Brown was born in Holstein, Ontario in December 1862. He came to Parry Sound in 1886 to work as a butcher and later on as a fisherman. He traveled by train to Gravenhurst, where he transferred to a stagecoach. However, the roads were so bad Brown and the other male passengers were obliged to walk most of the way from Gravenhurst while the ladies in freight rode in the coach.